everyone, and welcome to Fairvilla University's Quickie, all about designer relationships.
Hi, I'm Angelique Luna.
And I'm John C. Luna.
And in this video, we are going to be talking about designer relationships.
Now, when we say designer relationships, we mean a relationship or relationships that meets your needs and makes you happy.
Which means it doesn't need to look like anyone else's relationship, nor does it have to make sense to others.
Every relationship is unique, and as long as it's consensual, healthy, and makes you happy, well, then that's the relationship that's good for you.
In any relationship, it's important to get your needs met, but it starts with knowing yourself and knowing what your needs are.
To help you define your needs, we recommend researching the 5 love languages.
Words of affirmation, requiring verbal positive reinforcement from your partner.
Acts of service. This may be making your favorite meal for your partner when they've had a bad day, or maybe making chicken soup when they're sick.
Receiving gifts. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate, like a diamond ring or a new car. It could be just something from their local favorite bakery, coffee, danishes, chocolates.
I love danishes. Quality time. We live in a world where we're constantly on our phones and our electronics. Maybe putting those down, shutting off the TV and radio, and having some quality time with your partner is what they need.
A long road trip with no electronic devices on is considered quality time.
For us, it is.
And last one, physical touch. Doesn't have to be sexual, or it could be sexual, but it's something of just a physical connection. Touching, holding, hugging, kissing.
Another suggestion is to explore your intimacy needs. Commonly, intimacy is broken up into 5 types.
Physical, which is hugging, kissing, and touching.
We're always holding hands.
Yeah, we're always touchy-feely. It's just like we're always physically touching.
Next is mental intimacy, and that could include meaningful conversations, shared beliefs, or common interest.
Such as the Marvel's universe.
Big time.
Having that count, or Picard, for anyone into the Star Trek. But then I think that also could go into spiritual beliefs, which is respect for each other's beliefs, shared purposes, nurturing each other's inner peace. DC Dark versus Marvel Light.
Then there's emotional intimacy. Do you need a partner who is positive, affirming, caring, and interested in your feelings?
And last, sexual. Sexual could be whatever that is a little bit more than physical touch.
Then there's your relationship structure in regards to whether it's monogamous or non-monogamous.
It's important to know not all non-monogamous relationships are the same. There's swingers. This relationship styles in which individuals openly engage in sexual activities with or without their romantic partner's presence or involvement. Think hearts, not hearts. It's predominantly about sex and friendship without the emotional connection.
Then there's polyamorous relationships. This is the practice of maintaining multiple sexual or romantic relationships with the knowledge of everyone involved.
Then there's relationship anarchy, or open relationships. This is an act of forming relationships that are not defined by traditional cultures, labels, or rules.
Like us.
Or
We consider ourselves to follow a relationship anarchy structure. This means in some of our relationships, we mimic swingers. However, in other relationships we're much more closer to poly.
We don't fit in any particular category, but we're both happy and satisfied with our relationship, and that's all that matters. Duh.
Regardless of what style of relationship you pull from, design the relationship that's right for you and makes you happy.
If you enjoyed today's Quickie, remember to like and subscribe for our weekly updates on Fairvilla University's YouTube channel.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.